Gold price slips as US dollar roars on higher Treasury yields. Where to for XAU/USD? Gold has taken a hit to start the new year as Treasury yields soared, boosting the US dollar. Bond bears have jumped out of the gate in 2022 with interest rates moving higher as expectations for central bank hawkishness remain on the radar. The benchmark U.S. government 10-year bond yield went from 1.5% to trade above 1.63%. The market is anticipating that the Federal Reserve will end their asset purchase program and hike rates 3 times. By the end of this year, higher yields mean that holding dollars becomes a more attractive investment option than the yellow metal. The sell-off in fixed interest was matched by the buying of selective risk assets. While equity markets have started the year on solid footing, commodities and growth-linked currencies have not seen an uplift so far. The Australian, Canadian and New Zealand dollars were all weaker as US dollar strength dominated. While gold and silver opened the year lower, industrial metals and energy markets have mostly held up so far. This points toward interest rates being the driving force for lower precious metal prices. With that in mind, the meeting minutes from the last Federal Reserve gathering will have extra attention when they are published on Wednesday. Then on Friday, market attention will turn toward the latest U.S. jobs data. Although the first trading day of 2022 saw the gold price decline by 1.5%. Volatility remains subdued for now. This is illustrated by the relatively narrow width of the 21-day simple moving average-based Bollinger Band. The price finished last year above the upper Bollinger Band, and the decisive move back inside the band could hint at a potential reversal. Lower, just prior to the sell-off, it made a 6-week high at 1,831.65. Which was just shy of the pivot point at 1,834.01. These levels may offer resistance, as well as the November high of 1,877.15. On the downside, support could be at the pivot points and previous lows of 1,789.57. 1,784.92, 1,761.99, 1,758.93. 1,753.10 and 1,721.71. Chart C created in TradingView. Written by Daniel McCarthy, strategist for dailyfx.com. To contact Daniel, use the comment section below or at Dan McCarthyFX on Twitter.